Hi Leo, welcome to my channel. This is a tarot reading journal, tarot reading for the week of 11th to 18th of April. Please keep in mind that the general readings and might not resonate with each one of you. Also, time is fluid in these readings. This might be happening to you, might have happened to you, or might happen to you in the future. Also, I would like to inform you about the new moon. This new moon is all about new doors opening, the fruit of your hard work finally coming in. This is a very full moon is very positive. That falls on the 11th or 12th of April, depending on where you are. So let's see what your week has for you. All right, Leo. So, Leo, you have blocked the communication, or you're withholding some sort of emotions, or because you want to focus on working hard, you want to focus on making your name, fame, money. You really want to reach the top. You really have dreams for you. What you don't see is the Ace of Swords. It's somebody really, really wants to communicate with you. Let me clarify these Five of Pentacles. What are you focused on? Okay, so you are focused on work because there's something really ended. Something which there was a miscommunication, and something ended. And I think that really shut you off in the past. Death and Tower together, which means that things didn't, I always say Tower is a good card because it means that something ended for something to start, right? But death with it, which means that it just ended. There was nothing which happened post the end. And the reason that you are in this Nine of Wands, holding back your emotions, holding back and focusing all your energy to being the best in your field, the best in your power, and you're really really working hard. But there's, if you see the Five of Pentacles, this person is, though mentally you are focused, but your heart still isn't, again the bottom of the deck is Knight of Wands. You really really want to go towards whosoever has got you into this energy, I feel. Leo, let me also clarify the Five of Wands. What happened here? So, yeah, there was a third party situation where you were in a third party, or the person you liked or loved was in a third party, and I think they were standing their ground as to what they want from you, and things quickly changed because of that. I think maybe you feel that this is a hopeless situation, and I really don't know what to do. I really, because the Wheel of Fortune is there, and I'll clarify this with my major arcana cards, but I think that is why it just ended abruptly. It was an abrupt end, though there was a lot of to and fro. But and there's a lot of fire in this, lot of passion in this connection that I see. But things are dead, or you guys don't communicate or don't talk to each other, and somehow you're both standing your ground, and you don't nobody wants to go ahead and compromise. Wheel of Fortune. Let us see. Will the situation change for you, Leo? Because see, you are focused on work and everybody knows that you want to reach the top. But then there is this hollowness inside you, right? There's this something missing sort of a energy. Let us clarify. Wheel of Fortune coming twice, Leo. Do you see this? This is also Wheel of Fortune. This is also Wheel of Fortune. So things will, I think this is temporary. This break is temporary, and I don't know who will take the first move, whether you or them, but things will change. Let me get you some love messages. So yeah, I think you have the intention to give, but you're holding on, and the universe is saying that you should really really, you are unique, you're different, and they will accept you as you are. Is the message I'm getting here, because you should give yourself more credit. It's time to be happy again, and also focus on emotions. And you are unique in your own way, and this is what the person likes about you, is what I'm getting. This person likes that you are different. You're not like the crowd. You're not like everybody, and there's a certain uniqueness to you that this person has fallen for. Let me get one more message from the universe. When I'm in alignment with the love of the universe, peace cannot be disrupted. So yeah, you are right now not in peace. Like I said, you're focused on work, but the peace is missing. The inner peace is missing. And you need to really, really, I think, stop being stubborn. I think I've been telling you for a long time, but I will leave it to you because the universe, wheel of fortune coming twice means this connection has a potential, Leo. And I think I leave it all to you. Let me see how you can handle the situation. How can Leo handle the situation? How can Leo handle the situation? Let me see what my wisdom cards have for you. Respectful. So I feel that you should really respect the emotions of people, because somewhere the emotions. I think you're really really closing off the lid on the emotions, whether yours or you don't care what the other people. I think you don't want to deal with emotions, in short. But Lord is asking you to be more respectful to the emotions, more respectful, more open to all sorts of emotions, because that's why we are humans, right? That otherwise, if working hard was the only thing Lord wanted from us, then we could have been horses or donkeys, right? So anyway, this is all I have for you this week. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and we'll meet next week. Bye bye.